Hello, friend. Welcome back. In our previous section, we have to discuss about the update procedure of this lecture. Yes, I hope that it will be understand easily. So I humble request to watch this video to sequence maintained by the playlist. It will be you will get the advantage of the full sequence of the flow of this project. In this section, I have to discuss about the delete procedure of this lecture. In our previous section, lots of time I will apply this delete process via Ajax, and this time I also use the same procedure. So now I'll go to the VS Code file in here to this open. So I just clear all above this. Not necessary, but index is required. Okay, index is required, and to controller will be required. Okay, fine. And this managed to the lecture route. Okay, okay, resource route actually I we have to use. So now, okay, here, look at this. This is the same process, and this is the copy actually. Just put the course section, not a course section. Here will be the lecture. Okay, lecture, and this is the ID. Okay, fine. Delete URL. That's fine. All above this is perfect. Delete section. Not required. The delete section better. You will just keep delete lecture. Okay, and now go to this delete JavaScript, delete lecture. Yeah, where is it? I just check it. This is okay. Now look at this. This is our delete section. Okay, so better here lecture, because of this is the trash actually. And look at this. This is a delete form, and method will be delete. Okay. So now here is everything is the similar in a structure lecture destroy fine. This is a simple function will be applied here in here by the destroy. Here is the destroy. Okay. So what will be in the next? Here is the lecture course lecture. Find or fail. It will be the ID, and just simply lecture will be delete. Perfect. And just a simple return redirect back with. I hope that everything will be clear. Now check is it work or not. Now this is the browser. Just keep refresh. Okay, perfect. And better I just put in here this something blah. Just test need for video URL. So better go to YouTube, and I just pick the my video URL actually because I have some copyright issue. It just go to YouTube Studio and got the content. Here is all of about the content actually. Just well, just give it, and here better just put some URL. Here is the URL. So just keep in here. Okay. Yes, the video will be. That's a test title. Okay. And this is a test content. In future, we will put some original data. Actually, just hit the submit. Okay. Here, look at that. This is the test title. And now, just yeah, it will not work. It will not work. Okay. Okay, I just check it. Don't worry. What will be the mistake in here? I just check it. And here I make some mistake, friend. Actually, here is the two delete option. One will be the code section, and other will be the section wise lecture. Actually, just keep two delete option will be in our code, but previous I will automatic. I will be update this URL and somehow and now it will not work actually. This code section will be the right actually, but I not update in these places. So better better go to VS Code and now here the lecture destroy lecture I will be change some, so better it will be the delete section. uh, that will be the delete section. It will be fine. And also will be the course section. Here will be the course section. It's right actually, course section, fine. And now here this is the delete lecture note, so better just put the delete section, and after that we will be updated. But here this is the for is, and here I just check it what's my mistake actually. Here is the another delete, and why is it change it? Oh no, that's the right track. So right, but I just make a mistake here. Just give here the delete section. I just check it, is it work or not. So go to browser and check this is function work or not. Just keep reload and just try for the dummy, is it work or not, and delete. Yes, the course section will be delete. Now work for the lecture. Okay. Okay, so now go to the now look at this. Here some one is delete section. Okay, this is the delete form, and now other will be the delete lecture. Okay, this is the delete lecture. So just the similar things I just copy and paste. Better it will be not the issue. So just check it there. Okay, just format document, fine. So here is the delete section, not delete section, just put the delete lecture. It will be work actually, maybe not a course section, and we just keep lecture. Just check it, is it work or not. Go to browser actually, just keep reload. Okay, done. I just check it the first time, identify the test title, and yes, and I hope it will be okay. That's done. So our course is a big task we will be have to complete. The most important phase of this project is course manage course actually. We just manage each and everything. This is the very powerful technique we have to apply it. So yeah, I hope that you have learned a lot actually, and as well as the data manage manipulation. In future we will be it will be just check it's a bestseller. Just updated. Yes, it's work fine. And actually, as well as this is the manage our courses. So better, I just manage the data here. Also, this is our live URL actually, devexplorers.xyz. All of this data will be insert here, and you can use this data, or also you can use in your choiceable data, but no problem whatsoever. After completing this, in our next video we have to try what will be do for the next video. I just show you, just to go to our main project, actually live project, and here this will be the places. There we will be the show our course actually. Not too much courses I have to insert it, but in here we have to insert tab wise actually. Here is the filter of the tab wise, and it will be very attractive, and it will be the clone of Udemy actually, inspired by Udemy. So it's very informative. And add to cart, here I am using uh, cookie based cart system, and also as well as wishlist also via Ajax, and it's also the Ajax. And look at add to cart, and look at this cart will be added, and this card will be ordered, and I got the inspect, and you just check it. I show you where the cookie is. This is the performance and some memory, and this is the application. And look at this http, and this is the learning management session value, or here is a cookie actually. Learning management system, this is the value of the cookie. Okay, this is the value of the cookie. So I show you how to manage the cookie. Look at this learning management system, and this is session. Okay, domain dev explorer. Here is a session storage, local storage, and this is a cookie actually. Learning management system session. Actually, here is the cookie value. Okay, I just why it's changed it here, but it show you URL decode, but it will be show some in here actually. Actually, it will be a cookie. Maybe, but don't worry. Here is the cookie. Okay, so don't take it. Here is the data. Will you will get cookie, and look at this. This is the data, and you will go to checkout, and automatically go to the checkout pages, and you just put the information, and definitely check is Stripe, PayPal, or as you wish for the credit and debit card. I just covered each and everything, friend, but don't worry. Please keep with this channel. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel, and it will be highly motivated for my making a video, because it's a very tough to make a to be honest tutorial. And by I definitely I promise to grow my YouTube journey. And this project is actually completely free, and resource will be free, and I also share by step GitHub repo. You easily can get the description of the video. So better, in the next video I'll show the actually I will work the font end actually, and you will be show the bestseller and something and is and everything. Okay, so okay, thank you so much. So let's see for the next.